Hi, in today's video, I thought I would share with you how to fix those droopy mouth lines and mouth wrinkles. We're also going to be doing some facial massage and exercises to also help with those marionette and smile lines. Hi, I'm Ali and I'm a facialist for the last 7 years. I'm really passionate about facial massage, lymphatic drainage, and also face yoga. Now, what I like to do before I start, I like to start with clean skin. And as always, I am using a little bit of facial oil just so we've got a slip and glide. You really don't want to compromise the skin by dragging or pulling at it. So today I've got some rosehip oil. I also like to use sometimes castor oil. A facial oil is great, or you could also use a favourite facial product such as a facial moisturizer or serum. Whatever you do apply to your face is going to penetrate in even better whilst doing these massage exercises. So I'm just first of all starting from the jawline and working my way up all along the side of the mouth towards the nose. Just passing the oil in and then just working along by the side and the back of the ear, and then just down the big SCM muscle here, side of the neck, and then just down to that collarbone. So I'm starting first with my fingers and I'm working in an upwards motion, just doing a little bit of facial tapping. Now what we're doing here, really helping with blood flow and circulation to the area and working in an upwards motion. And then with my thumb now placed under my chin, fingers above, I'm making like a hook shape and I'm lifting up from the jawline all the way to the nostril, under the cheekbone towards the ears. Lifting upwards and back. And again, because we're using a facial oil, we're actually having a really great glide, so we're not actually dragging at the skin. Let's just do this 2 more times. Now let's just do another great massage exercise here for the marionette lines. So I'm going to just take my knuckles here from my hands. I'm going to place them where my jawline is, and I'm gently going to lift up towards the bone here, between the nose here, the bone from the cheeks. And whilst we're doing that, we're going to open up our mouth. So we're going to get a nice little, not too much of a stretch, but we're really going to be activating those muscles. So again, not too firm, but holding onto our jawline, coming down. Let's do this 3 times. And one last time. And then lifting up with the fingers and across. Now we have a great acupressure points just here between sort of either side of the mouth, the lips here. And if you just give that a very gentle press and then just work in a round circular motion one way and then the other. And then working up here where the nose is, the nostrils, we have some indentations and we hold quite a lot of tension in this area. So again, just pressing that down. And then again, just releasing any tension, moving your fingers one way and then the other. And then again, up and across. Now we don't want to be stretching the skin, so nice and light. And then I'm just gliding with the fingers, a nice easy massage, again from the jawline, heading towards the side of the mouth, and then working my way upwards towards the nostril again. And then on the other side. And again, whatever products you've placed onto your skin is going to penetrate into the skin and really get into those layers. Will actually also help with those marionette lines as well. And then just gliding upwards, nice and light, and across. Now what we're doing here, it's a feather light touch, and we're moving toxins and waste within the lymph. Now the lymph is very close to the surface of the skin, so just a nice delicate touch is needed. Moving everything along to almost the side of the ears. Also remembering that during the daytime, if you can just take the corners of your mouth, lift it up slightly and just lift everything up rather than dragging everything down. This will also help with those droopy mouth lines. So now I'm placing some fingers in front and some fingers behind each ear. And we're just gliding down, and we have plenty of lymph nodes in the front and behind the ears. So we're just moving the toxins to this area, the waist, from within the lymph, and then just glide down the big SCM muscle, either side of the neck down to the collarbone. And then from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, we have some indentations here. And if you just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste we've moved within this area to really help with those marionette smile lines and those droopy mouth corners into the body, ready for illumination. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content, and a thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm. And comment down below, tell me where you're from, and if there's any other facial massage techniques or facial yoga you'd like me to share with you. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.